Let's cook palmnut stew, aka OFA. In my clean pot, here I'm boiling my palm nut fruits. I boil these till they are soft and easily poundable. Okay, I already have a video of how to extract palm nut juice on my channel. I'll be linking it in the comment section. Please, if you're yet to like my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section, have you eaten palm nut stew? My protein of choice for this recipe is the normal chicken. That was the particular protein I chose to use. But if you want that authentic OFE-AKWU taste, please use beef or goat meat. To achieve that very authentic OFE-AKWU taste, I use ogiri, okpei, I use Ehuru seed. These are roasted Ehuru seed, and also some uziza seed. A combination of these three combo gives your OFE-AKWU a very nice taste that you not find elsewhere. Here you can see I've already extracted the palm nut juice, allowed it to boil till the oil starts floating on the top, and then I added my stockfish. I love adding my stockfish this way because it gives my palm nut juice a richer taste and aroma. Next I go with my mix. This is a mixture of my crayfish, my pepper, the Ehuru, the uziza seed, and all those spices I introduced earlier. I blend this to get this very smooth consistency, which will also help in thickening this soup in a very short while. Next, I add my chicken. I didn't smoke mine. It's my personal preference. Then the fish, all your proteins at this point. Then you notice it has gotten to this very thick consistency. You can use your leaf of choice, but for me, I always use scent leaves and curry leaves. It gives my OFE-AKWU this very nice authentic flavor. I know you enjoyed watching this video. Please do well to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye.